What's good, tech crew? Welcome back to GadInsider. Google just dropped a bombshell. Gemini AI is replacing Google Assistant on tablets, smartwatches, and more later this year. Let's dive into what this means for your devices and why it's a big deal. Google's been phasing out Assistant for Gemini AI, and now it's hitting Wear OS smartwatches, Android tablets, and even headphones. The CEO Sundar Pichai confirmed during Alphabet's Q1 2025 earnings call that Gemini will become the default assistant across these devices by the end of 2025. It's already on most Android phones, and now it's expanding. Gemini can handle complex questions, analyze photos, and even suggest workouts on your Galaxy Watch. Plus, it keeps the OK Google hot word for a smooth switch. So why should you care? Gemini's smarter than Assistant, with features like real-time summarization and multimodal inputs. Think chatting with your watch or tablet about what's on your screen. It's a huge upgrade for Wear OS users, like those with Samsung Galaxy Watches and tablet fans who want AI that feels like a friend. But there's a catch. Smartwatches have limited processing power, so some features might rely on your phone. Still, posts on X are buzzing about Gemini's potential to make wearables and tablets way more useful. Wanna be ready? If you've got a Wear OS watch or Android tablet, keep an eye out for app updates later this year. Gemini might roll out via the Assistant app. Developers, start exploring Gemini's APIs for cool new features. And everyone, test Gemini on your phone now to get a feel for it. No exact date yet, but it's coming fast. That's the tea on Gemini AI, tech fam. Are you hyped to ditch Assistant for Gemini? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit that subscribe button, smack the bell, and share this video to keep up with the AI revolution.